Today's activity takes place here in Wellesbourne. I'm at the Engineering Technology Group. I'm going to tell you about a machine tool that is available immediately from stock. And often you don't see machines of this nature actually ready, available immediately. ETG have bought this machine in, amongst others, as a result of the success of Nakamura this year. Sales have gone through the roof on their products, not just on machines like this for complicated component manufacture, but also for maybe some of the simpler machines like the AS version. Their sales are up, and in fact we've reported on that already this year. So let's talk about this machine. An incredible bit of technology, in fact, from Nakamura. This is a mill turn machine. Essentially this is a fusion between a 5-axis and a lathe. As we go into the machine, you're going to be presented here with two spindles. Now these aren't just what we'd call a main spindle and a sub spindle. This is a true twin spindle machine. So the purpose of this machine is essentially for one hit machining, and that's what this B-axis head enables you to do as well. Equipped with an 80 station tool changer using the popular Capto C6 tooling, this B-axis head here will actually rotate 225 degrees. Now what will that enable you to do? Well, basically, when the head is indexing, you can attack any part of the component in the main spindle, or of course you can tip your B-axis and machine on the back as well. But not just using static tooling for maybe turning ODs, because you can actually use it for milling, drilling, and this isn't just what we'd call a lightweight milling spindle. This has actually got 18.5 kilowatts of power, and the actual spindle itself will run up to 12,000 RPM. So this is no turning center with mill drill function. This is actually a true turn mill machine. Now you can see here we've got the tool changer to the left or to the right of me, which has got actually 80 stations here. So you can get 80 tools in this machine. You can imagine that if you're doing a complicated part, you're going to need a lot of tooling, but with 80 tools you have got the option to also have sister tooling, and all that is available to you. There'll be functions within the control that can help you control that as well. With production components, you're going to be needing things like parts bins, which we have on this machine, and obviously the parts catcher. You will take into consideration swarf, getting rid of swarf at the bottom of the machine, and you can see that here is a given. Coming to this side of the machine here, this is then when we're presented with parts conveyor. So if you were looking at a turnkey project, this would obviously, or could be supplied for evacuation of components at the end, and then of course you've got your swarf conveyor where you are outputting all of your swarf. How about the control? Well, this is the NT Smart X control. You really need to come here to ETG to see not only this machine in action, but learn some of the features that are available on this touchscreen control. They really do take machining to another level here. Technology in abundance here with this Nakamura machine, and would you believe, as I said at the start of this, it's actually available from stock. You need to contact ETG at engtechgroup.com to find out more.